Hello, my beauties and my gentlemen. I hope you all are having a wonderful and healthy day. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Alicia Suzanne, and I do a lot of beauty products unboxings. I review makeup products, and I keep it all on a teacher's budget. So today I am unveiling the Ipsy Glam Bag, the regular $12 a month bag. It came in this mailer, and this is the bag. It's corduroy, pretty cute. If you are new to Ipsy, it has five deluxe size samples, but oftentimes they do have a full size product or two in the bag. So I have really been enjoying this. I've only been subscribed to this for a month or 2 months, but I think it's a really good deal it's about $12 with shipping and tax. So first things first, it always comes with a insert. Honestly, I think the insert is a waste of paper. It doesn't tell you about the products that you are getting, and it just has some random stuff. The theme this month is good vibes. So I'll start with my choice product. You get to choose one of your products. I chose the Tarte Big Ego Mascara sample. I'm happy to see some Tarte products. Ipsy doesn't always have the most popular brands. I have seen some good brands, some It Cosmetics, some Tarte, and what's the other one? Ciate London, but compared to a box like BoxyCharm or other subscriptions, I don't think they have really big brand power behind them. However, anywho, I really like this. Some people say it's a dupe for the Better Than blank. Let's see, is that a Too Faced mascara? But I thought this was good. You can just test it out before you want to buy. I really enjoy the natural bristles. I don't like silicone mascaras, and I actually have this mascara on. Why not? Let's give it another coat. I think I did a pretty good job. Yeah, so I thought this was a good first product. Then I received this Your Skin But Better CC Plus Color Correcting Full Coverage Cream Anti-Aging Hydrating Serum SPF 50 by It Cosmetics CC Cream. The color that I got, I think it was, light. So I'm happy with this product. You can fill out a beauty quiz about the types of products that you liked, and I had CC creams and sunscreen as one of my products. I am actually wearing this product on my skin, so it's not a full coverage like a foundation, but it's definitely something. I believe you still need sunscreen, but yeah, I thought this again is a nice way to try out products before you buy the full size, and I was happy with the results. So let's give this swatch. It almost might be a little dark for my skin. I don't know if there was a fair option, but I enjoy it. The next product I got was this Rose Blossom hand cream. I'm not even going to try to pronounce this. La Crate Lane. It's made in Paris, made in France. I don't usually ever buy hand creams, so I was happy to receive this. I don't know if I'd want to receive one every month, but given that we've all hopefully been using a lot of hand sanitizer, I thought that this was a really great product to receive. And I would say it's more than a travel size. It's a deluxe sample, so you can just throw this in your purse. The next product I got was this brown eyeshadow, and I am wearing it. I'm wearing a lighter shade. So that's what it looks like on. I have received a lot of brown eyeshadows from my past Ipsy boxes, both the Glam Size Plus and the smaller size. I was an Ipsy member like a year or two ago, and then I wasn't for almost a year, and then I just recently signed back up. It's a pretty color. I do like metallic shades. I don't like matte shades. It seems to be full size, and it's called Smoked. Oh, I can't read that. I don't have my contacts in. But anywho, I think it's a pretty shade. I just happen to sort of already have similar shades. And then I put on my profile that I was happy. This is by the brand Sundays. It's really hard to see. But it is a nail polish. I'm happy to always try new nail polish brands. I feel like most nail polishes ship. But it's number 18. And that is the shade. I didn't mean to almost wear a matching shirt. I was happy to receive this. However, in my Glam Plus bag, I got a nail polish, or I chose a nail polish not knowing that I was already receiving this one. But my two separate accounts for my regular Glam Bag and my Glam Bag Plus are two different emails. So they might not have necessarily known. So if I would have known I was getting two nail polishes that were almost similar colors, I probably would have not chosen the one for my Glam Plus. But the Glam Plus one's a little more purple. So I'm excited to try this. I always love getting nail polishes. And then I got a sixth product in my bag. I'm wondering if you all got a sixth product as well. Maybe it was a sponsored product, a new brand trying to get them some marketing, but this is Evo Skin, and it is a face mask. Apply mask over clean skin, remove in 15 minutes. Seems like it has some cannabis seed oil, and that is what it looks like. It's a good size sample. I was happy to get a sixth product. I don't buy face mask, but I'll use them if I have them. I don't know if they do that much. Some people say they do, but it does make me feel like I'm having a spa day, or I'll put them on before I get in the tub and then wash them off on the tub. So yeah, I was happy to receive that. Overall, for $12, this product, I'm not counting this product, for $12, I think this was a really, really good bag. Especially, I believe that, well, the nail polish is full size. This, I believe, is full size. And then I got two brands that are popular that I've heard great things about, which is Tarte and IT Cosmetics. Now, you can always add on as well. So it's $12 a month, and then you can do add-ons of travel size products or sample size products that are typically $3, and then you can do full size. For me, I wasn't completely happy with the Glam Bag Plus, which is $25 a month for 5 full-size products. So I thought I would try the regular Glam Bag, and then if I wanted something, I could just do add-ons. So I got 3 add-ons, and the first thing I got was this Pore Professional Benefit Primer. I love, love, love their primers. I got one in a BoxyCharm. So this one is the hydrating one, so I wanted to try that one specifically. I think they have a regular one, a mattifying, and then this one. So this was $3. As you can see, it is quite small. I thought that for $3 it would be a bigger sample size, to be honest. Like, this is the IT Cosmetic sample, and this is the Benefit Primer. Much smaller. I do like this. I have it on, and I got I can maybe get a week, 2 weeks worth out of this, but I don't know. I do like it, but I don't know if I would have bought it for $3 when I have a full-size one. And then for $3, I got this Pixie Endless Sky Silky Eye Pen in the color Bronze Beam. This is a full-size product. You can buy it at Target, and I have it on my eyes. It's that eyeliner. I need to sharpen it. But I actually got this in my last month's bag, and I loved it so much. For $3, I had to get another one. A lot of eyeliners I get in beauty subscription boxes are liquid, and they're black. And black is really harsh against my fair skin and my lighter hair tone. So I had to get another one. And then this other product that I got, again, it's full size. I may have gotten this last month or 2 months ago too. But it is this Brow Chow, okay, by Item. I think that's the brand, Item. And it is ultra fine brow definer, and I have to fill in my eyebrows. I have not as much hair on one of my eyebrows as the other, probably over plucking as a teenager, and then I like to have them a little bit darker. But I thought this is in the shade medium brown, wrong side. I thought this was really cool because it's shaped, I don't know if you can tell, it's shaped like a triangle. So you can just go in there and let's do a swatch. I think it's a pretty good shade for me. It's not too light, not too dark. What I thought was really, really cool about this product was that at the end it has this little brush. So you can, number one, lay down your eyebrows, and number two, sort of blend in all of your eyeshadow, or I'm sorry, brow products. So that is my review for the September Ipsy bag. Let me know what you think, and if you were happy with your bag, and if you think it's worth $12. I hope you will subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. I try to upload at least twice a week for you, so I hope you all have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye.